Our next guest is Mr. Ashok Basa. Sir, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking very handsome.
No, I'm not.
No, you're looking very handsome, seriously, with the cap of Devanand style. But I'm sure you are absolutely here for the beautiful event that is being conducted here. What do you have to say about this amazing event that has been planned by Interview Times?
Well, I must say that it is a wonderful attempt to identify the people who are building Odisha. Number two, Odia people are normally, the persons who are residing in Odia or, entrepreneurs of Odia, they are very low profile. So the best way to, bring it to the notice of the general public and their contribution has to be identified and recognized. So I think in that way, it is a wonderful, initiative attempt to bring to these persons into the limelight. And secondly, people must know that we have got such talents in the state. So not only, they are entrepreneurs, they become the idol for the rest of the Odias.
Absolutely. I think the talent we have, what they need is little bit of recognition and little bit of inspiration from the elderly people and leaders of our state, isn't it? Once they get it, they will be more inspired to achieve.
Well, as I said, the inspiration is definitely important. But for me, more important is the people, the other Odias who are seeing them, they can also identify them in them. So they will say that if we can rise to that extent, I can also go.
Yes.
And most important, another thing is Odias. This generation, the previous generation, Odias are or were not entrepreneurs. But this generation, we find a lot of entrepreneurs are coming. So that is a good trend, and any nation, if you find out of all of the world, if you depend only on government, no nation will thrive. So there has to be participation of the general public, the inhabitants. And that happens only when the people or the public, they become entrepreneurs. So not only they create jobs, they become the idol for others. So this attempt, I am taking, not only it's a question to recognize them, I am giving more emphasis that through them, others will get recognized. Yes, I can be an entrepreneur. That is more important rather than recognizing that.
Yes, they can be relatable and they can relate to these people. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.